Hello, kindergartners. How are you guys today? Today we are going to do a lesson where we blend the sounds to make a word. So you will need, from your Module 5 packet, you will need page 130. It says, blend sounds into words, and it has pictures of a can and a van on number 1. So I'll give you just a second to find page 130, or you can pause this video. So we're going to get started. So I'm going to give you an example. So when we say a word and we want to say all the sounds, we get our elephant arms out. So get your elephant arms out. And we're going to say the word cat, but we're going to say each sound in cat. So at the very top of your arm on your shoulder is you're going to say the first sound in cat. K, a, t. Now remember, the last sound is on your fist and the middle sound is in your elbow. So if I said cat, k, at. If we were to blend it, we would say cat, and actually my cat is right here. So we are going to make the word. So I'm going to tell you all of the sounds, and you're going to find the picture of the word that I'm saying. So if I said dog, you're going to find the picture of a what? Of a dog. Okay, so number 1, v-e-n. V-e-n. So number 1, there's 2 pictures. Circle the word that I just said. Number 2, y-a-n. Y-a-n. So number 2, circle the word that I just said. Number 3, I-v. I-v. Circle the word that I just said. Number 4, y-ar-n. Y-ar-n. What word would that be? Number 5, w-a-v. W-a-v. What word would it be? And the last one, sh-e-p. Sh-e-p. What word would it be? Okay, so we're going to go through all of them. So number 1 was v-an, van. Number 2 was y-on, yawn. Number 3, I've, 5. And if I were to write 5, what letter would be at the very end? I've. What little magical letter would be at the very end? Magical what? Number 4, yarn, yarn. Number 5, wave, wave. And number 6, sheep, sheep. So if you are all done, you have all of those words circled, and you can color them and give it to whoever is with you right now.